Hi, so this is a short workout video and all you're going to need are a couple of dumbbells. That's it, a small space. We're going to work the glutes and the legs. So there's 6 exercises that we're going to do for 30 seconds each. So run through the exercises and then at the end, play the video again and run through them again. Try and do it at least 3 times and try if you can then to work up to playing it 6 times, one after the other. I hope you enjoy it. Hi, welcome to this short workout. You can make it as long or as short as you want. There are 6 exercises that we do for 30 seconds each. So once the video is over, that's your 6 sessions. And then you repeat the video as often as you want until you can get up to about 6 times. And this way you'll get a really good leg workout. I hope you enjoy it.
3, 2, 1.
So the first one, we're going to do squats with side kick, all the same side. So make sure you keep breathing, core engaged. Relax the shoulders. So make sure you don't drop the chest forward, stays nice and high. Okay, you've got 10 seconds, then we go the other side. Let's have a nice active rest. And go. Keep breathing. The next one is lunge with a front kick.
3, 2, 1.
So lunge back and kick, lunge back and kick, lunge back, kick, lunge back, kick. Make sure your front knee stays above the ankle. Ooh. So all these exercises can be done in quite a small space. We're going to change sides.
3, 2, 1.
Give the legs a bit of a shake if you need to. Take the legs slightly wider and squat down and hold. And then we're going to pulse, keep the core engaged. Just slow and steady. Don't come all the way up. Keep breathing. Bring it up.
3, 2, 1.
Squat sidewalks. Squat and sidewalk. Squat. Keep the bottom low. Keep the chest high. So for the next one, we're going to need just a weight. So I'm going to grab a dumbbell.
3, 2, 1.
So we're going to lift the leg to the side and take it out behind, to the side, 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 out behind. As you take it out to the side, the weight rests on your leg, standing tall through the body, shoulders relaxed. Change sides. Side and back, 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 side, back, side, back, side, back, side. The next one, you need both weights. If you have a step, this can be done in a step as well. We're just going to do calf raises. Great. So run this again and see how many times you can run through the video. Whew. Well, if you enjoyed that and managed 3 rounds, well done. I have 2 other videos that go with this. I have one for abs and one for arms, shoulders and abs. Give them a go.